What's going on, guys? I hope you're doing great today. Quick market update. It is crazy out there. I consider this somewhat of an emergency video. Now let's jump straight into the charts and I'll explain what I think is going on. Okay, so firstly, Bitcoin is at 44,320 right now. Extremely volatile day again. A lot of longs getting liquidated and a lot of shorts getting liquidated in recent times. I think the Jim Cramer inverse effect is playing a massive part on people's emotions right now in the market. So when we go onto the 4-hourly time frame, you see we've sort of created this new channel that we're in right now. Right, we've touched this bottom base 1, 2, 3 times, and the top, yeah, we've touched that 2 times, and we're just coming up to it again. Now, if we close a daily candle above this, it would be quite bullish for the short term. And if we close a daily candle below this, then I think that could be the start of a major crash where we will be looking at 32k. Now, trade with extreme caution right now, in my opinion. We are kind of in a non-trading zone due to what's going on with the ETF. I do think it will cause one big spike up and then we crash going into the halving, and you'll be able to buy all sorts of cheap Bitcoin and altcoins going into the halving, and like Cardano maybe around 38 cents, something like that. I believe is coming. And so I don't want to be trading these ranges right now. I mean, it's just too volatile and risky and uncertain for my liking. So I'm right now just sitting on the sidelines. I've sold 17,000 worth of my crypto. I had a great December, and I don't want to lose what I gained in December by being more greedy in January because of this uncertainty with the ETF. And we know crypto is often a buy the rumor, sell the news. And Bitcoin has rallied like crazy in recent weeks, and it hasn't retraced. Yeah, Jim Cramer caused a 10% retracement, but I don't think that's over yet. Jim Cramer often calls the bottom of bear markets and the top in cycles. So he come out with this big bullish statement that Bitcoin's unstoppable, and he was wrong about Bitcoin and all this, and that could be the start of a big crash where we do see the 30% retracement that lots of traders are talking about, and it's what we usually get in cycles, it's what we usually get in bull runs. So I do think it's very much on the cards, and now I've sold everything. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. That's my strategy. I do think 48k is possible with the ETF approval and a quick spike up, but I don't think it's going to stay there, and I don't think it's going to go above that. I do think we will come down pretty hard and pretty fast from that moment, and that's when this sell the news event really takes place, right? So yeah, be cautious out there, guys. Don't go with really high leverage and be greedy right now. Yes, you can scalp trade if you really want, but this is a dangerous time to be trading, in my opinion. The technical analysis is practically out the window, and we are seeing lots of spikes. Manipulation is coming into the market. I think with the Jim Cramer thrown into the news and the false article that came out recently about the ETF being denied, it just shows how fragile the market is. And remember, we've got the big players coming in. We've got the BlackRocks. They're worth like $10 trillion. They will cause manipulation to buy Bitcoin at lower prices. I mean, that's just what's going to happen. They know the market has already reacted to the recent FUD. They've probably had some part to play in it, and there will be more FUD, So that's why I'm out. I do consider this somewhat of an emergency video, and I hope you all get very lucky in crypto. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out. Squirrel OG. Peace.